All right, we have success. So the problem is we need a way to trigger a relay that stays in its state when it's triggered. If you think of a cabinet door, when you open the door and take the magnet away from the other side, the light comes on. And then as soon as you close the door, the light goes off. So the magnet has to be present. So I found it's called a latching relay or bistable. It needs 5 volts to operate the trigger. So AC in to a little bitty rectifier that puts 5 volts in, and then the relay closes the circuit and puts the full 120 volts into the outlet when the magnet is triggered, and then stays there. So there's my light. Here's the other side of the magnet, and there we go. And then it turns off and turns on and turns off. And this thing here can be mounted anywhere. We'll see. So the idea is this project box will house all of the electronics, and we will mount the light fixture to the project box. It'll have a plug on one side to plug in the light, and this standard computer outlet on the other side to plug into power. That's the thinking. And let's see, how close do I have to be to activate? Pretty close. So we might have to drill a hole in the side of the light or the project box so that we can make contact. And then this little guy will go on the end of the lamplighter stick, and we spray paint it black and nobody will see it. The whole system here, including the project box and various cords and wires, comes out to about $14 on Amazon if you buy everything in bulk. And there's my handy wiring diagram to map everything out. All right, my sooty and lampy brethren, we just might have it. See you in a couple weeks.